from High Flyers Belgium. I'm part of BIKF since last 8 years, and this is the 6th year we are doing in Goa. It's a wonderful festival here. We love to come here again and again, and beautiful weather and beautiful beaches. All the flyers love to come and fly here. It's a fantastic venue. We look forward to come again and fly and entertain Goa people. Thank you for hosting us here in Goa. Thank you so much, Goa. Thank you. We love you all.
The sand and the palm trees, very lovely here. Nice. I like to fly on the beach, so it's good. It's very good. First, no, we were in Goa last year, but further away. This is the first time here. Yes.
For Kite Festival?
Yes.
What is the difference between your country and Goa?
Well, right now my country is cold. Snow, ice, cold. We're from Canada. So it's very warm here, very nice. A lot more sand, beach.
Hi, I'm Fred Taylor from Port Colborne, Ontario, Canada, and I'm enjoying coming here to go to fly kites on the beach. I like to fly kites on the beach, and when the wind comes off the beach, off the water, it makes my kites fly high, and I think it's a beautiful place to fly kites.
This is my first time, so I hope there's a lot of people coming, and we've been blessed with the good wind, so we can fly whole day from morning until night.
It's for the first time we attend the festival over here in Goa, and we were very pleased that we are here. It's a very nice place, very nice surrounding, and with all the people around, it's happened to be a very good festival, I think.
On behalf of my all Sarpanch, Panch member, and my supporter, my brothers and sisters, I warmly welcome to you in this Mandrem constituency. As you said, every year this type of festival, particularly Kite Festival, is being organized somewhere in South Goa, like Kolwa Beach, or in North Goa, Miramar Beach. Being a chairman of this GTDC, it's my right to give benefit to my people, my constituency people. Today, along with me, my all friends came to know what is the importance of this Kite Festival. Basically, during our childhood, we used to play this with the kite. But just to say, just for time pass, we came to know now that the importance of this Kite Festival, because in front of us, as I said earlier, that many of our international countries, they are organizing in this festival. That means there is a good and huge importance for this Kite Festival.